This is Sheranwala, or the Lion's Gate, also known as Khizri Gate. Back in the old days, the river Ravi passed at its entrance. It was said that the Khizr Ilyas, a patron saint of running waters and streams, also deemed to be discoverer of Ab-e-Hayat, the water of immortality, lent his name to the Khizri Gate. Another story behind the gate's name goes like this. During the Sikh rule, Ranjit Singh kept 2 domesticated lions, and hence the gate is also called Sheranwala. This gate with carved lions, however, is often confused with the original one dating to Singh's era. But it is not. It's actually the gate of once Haveli Baba Hari Das. The grandeur of the old days, however, is no more. The crowded area is crammed with markets and schools, both old and new. There's Government Islamia High School, the oldest in the vicinity and considered one of the best. Next to flourishing madrasas, there is also Government School for Deaf and Dumb in Khizri Mohalla.
इस स्कूल को तकरीबन 1 सदी से ज़्यादा अरसा हो गया है। इसी स्कूल में मैंने तालीम हासिल की। यहाँ से मैंने मौसीकी सीखी, कुर्सियाँ वगैरह बनाने का काम सीखा, चिक मेकिंग सीखी, चारपाइयाँ बना सकता हूँ, टोकरियाँ बना सकता हूँ, ब्रश मेकिंग मैंने सीखी।
In the past, the social fabric of the area was unbreakable. The locals here lived in joint families, sharing their happiness and sorrows. The mohallas or the neighborhoods were more than just a tight-knit community. They were family, but not anymore. The families have left, leaving behind spaces that are now occupied by traders. Unfortunately, because of these vacancies, big investors have swooped in to build sky-high plazas and consequently have destroyed the area's heritage. Despite the fact that authorities have disallowed digging or construction in the area for commercialized purposes, it goes on without the permission of the authorities, who seem unable to cope. Concerned Lahoris have protested against the building of plazas at the cost of what they say is our national heritage.
अंदरून शहर की जो रौनकें थीं, जो मोहब्बतें थीं, उनको शायद किसी की नज़र लग गई है, मार्केटों की नज़र लग गई है या सरमायादारों की नज़र लग गई है। ये बड़ा मुश्किल हो गया अब लोगों का यहाँ रहना और गुजारा करना। शहर की जो खूबसूरती थी, जो पुराने घर बने हुए थे, वो खंडर बन गए हैं। यहाँ तो उनकी जगह बड़े बड़े प्लाजे खड़े हो गए हैं, जिनकी परमिशन नहीं है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से। 2-2, 3-3 बेसमेंट बन गई हैं और ऊपर पता नहीं कई मंजिला 10-10, 20-20 मंजिला प्लाजे बन गए हैं।
An example of such illegal construction is that of a plaza which has been built on top of the historic monument discovered at Bangla Ayub Shah in 2007. Gone are the charms and history attached to the building. So far, in our Wall City series, we have talked about decrepitude amongst the once glamorous gates and the area surrounding them, mostly down to our own negligence. But the Sheranwala gate is different. Over here, it's greed that has taken down the buildings and the charm of the area. Walking in these narrow lanes is a very wonderful but at the same time very painful experience because of the stories that these streets are telling of human negligence are very sad. This is Wahib Salim Butt reporting for Express 24/7, Sheranwala Gate, Lahore.